everybody. So as I promised, it's another video and another exciting topic for you. We are going to show you today how do we buy our stuff and how do we buy and go shopping in Iran, in my country. Is it only like the traditional shopping? You go to the mall, you go to the any store, and you just buy what you want. No, it's not like that. We have our own Amazon. We have our own way for shopping online, and it's a very very famous um, online store actually called Digikala. Digikala, which is actually means digital. Digi comes from digital, and Kala means uh, tools or products, actually, not tools. I have ordered something, and I'm gonna show you what I ordered, and we gonna have unboxing today. It's a very exciting thing. I know that. So, um, it's like a rival, a big rival for Amazon and eBay and Alibaba. Actually, we don't have Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba. They're really expensive because of the sanctions and everything. They don't send products to Iran. They have problems with us. So we don't buy from Amazon. Actually, we can't buy from Amazon and eBay, which all over the world is it's famous and it's useful all over the world. Every single person that uses the internet and shops from the internet knows Amazon and eBay, but we don't know them. I know them, but people don't know them, and I don't buy it from it, and nobody buys actually from it, except for those who want to spend some extra money for paying for like some companies that actually buy from Amazon, like trying some methods to avoid the sanctions and like try to not be affected by the sanctions, and they like get some extra money from us so they can give us the product that we want, but we nobody actually uses it because it's really expensive and very boring way. Actually, it's not a quick method to buy something online. But I'm gonna show you what I ordered. We're gonna do it today together. So let's open it. Actually, I'm gonna open it with something really weird. Let's change the angle. What do you think about it? First, let me. Okay, you can see it, can't you? I opened it. Wow. I'm gonna show you. Don't worry. So there's a little classical phone here. Very cheap and useful for calling and for portable use. You can bring it with you wherever you want. It's got up to 32 gigabytes. You can put an SD card on it. Dual torch, VGA, 2G network, 600 milliamperes for the battery. And we're gonna open it, don't worry about it. But I'm gonna first show you the other thing. It's for sleeping because I'm really sensitive to what is this? I think this is a gift. I'm really sensitive to the lights because I don't sleep when there's lights. There's an OTG. There's a notebook here. Beautiful notebook. There's what? There's some for the ears. This was for the eyes. I don't know its exact name. For the eyes and for the ears. And I got some papers. I got some papers from my notebook. And I got a mouse pad. A mouse pad for my little mouse. Actually, it's not little. It's too big. But it doesn't matter. Okay, never mind about these stuff. The mouse pad, the papers, the notebook, and these. We're gonna open this, and this actually. We're gonna open this and see it. Okay, first of all, it's closed. We're gonna open it. Sorry. How am I supposed to? How am I supposed to open it? Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, there it is. Wow, it's very. This phone is really. It's not heavy. Wow, but what is this? Oh, it's removable. I just thought for a moment it's a fake phone. I thought that I got a fake phone for a moment. Okay, this is its charger. I think we don't need to open it, do we? Okay, don't cry. I'm gonna show you. Okay, it's the chalk. What is this? What the? It's not for the electricity system. And this is some useless hands-free. This is the battery and the manual. There it is. So I'm gonna remove it and I'm not gonna turn it on. Oh, there's a torch here. Okay, guys, we're gonna. So yeah, that was that. And wait for the coming videos. I have very various and exciting videos, exciting topics, all kinds of videos I'm gonna upload and you're gonna enjoy watching it. And I also do teach English. I put some vocabulary teaching and idioms. I have uploaded 2 videos for idioms in use, I think. Or yeah, I don't know. Never mind. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts and your ideas and um, whatever you like to comment. Thank you. Goodbye.